You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to delete your own YouTube videos using the mobile app. Open the YouTube app and tap your profile picture in the top right. Select your channel, tap Manage Videos. This will show all your uploaded videos. Alternatively, tap YouTube Studio. In YouTube Studio, tap Content. Find the video you want to delete. Tap the three vertical dots next to it. Select Delete from the menu. A confirmation window will appear. Read the warning that deleting is permanent. Tap Delete to confirm. The video will be removed from your channel. If you change your mind, you have a short time to undo. After deletion, the video goes to your deleted videos folder where it stays for 30 days before permanent removal. To recover within 30 days, go to YouTube Studio, scroll down in the left menu and select Deleted Videos. Find the video and select Restore. To delete multiple videos at once, in YouTube Studio Content View, tap the circle next to each video, then tap the trash can icon at the top. Confirm the deletion. This helps you clean up your channel quickly. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.